Over the years, there have been images circulating in the internet, which many of us believe and have been deeply fascinated with them. Some of these images suggest a powerful connotation and created an impact in a way that it drove us to view things differently. But a little research would reveal that these images were in fact not real, or that the stories surrounding these images were actually taken out of context, thanks to some tricky people who can surely manipulate images and ultimately to have us believe in their fakery. So, as part of the debunking project, we present to you a short video about the fake viral images that fool the world, now revealed. Number 1. An orphan Syrian boy sleeping between his parents' grave. This photo of an orphan Syrian boy sleeping between his parents' grave created a sad impression to the world. Story of a boy who lost both of his parents. The photographer, 24-year-old Abdelaziz Al-Atibi, posted the image in his Instagram account with some striking words saying, "Some kids might feel that their dead parents' bodies are more affectionate to them than the people they're living with." The story quickly exploded in the internet, reaching millions in the online community. However, as soon as it was revealed, the image was staged and was captured as part of a conceptual art project. The graves were fake and the boy was actually the photographer's nephew. Number 2. Osama bin Laden's corpse. Immediately after the death of Osama bin Laden on May 1 in Abbottabad, Pakistan, several fake images of his body appeared online, and not to mention has been deceiving people globally until this day. The doctored image of Osama bin Laden is actually a mashup of two images, one of which came from a movie, Black Hawk Down, with the actor's head substituted with that of bin Laden's. Theodore Roosevelt rides a moose. This image of Roosevelt appearing to ride a moose exploring the Amazonian jungle ran the New York Tribune several months before the election. In the 21st century, this image has circulated widely online, which many people have taken the image as a real-life scene, which is not. It was actually intended as a humorous photo depicting the race for the White House during US election. A close examination of the Roosevelt image reveals that it was fake. The photographic firm took Roosevelt's image from a photo of him riding a horse and pasted it into a shot of a swimming moose. Some scratched lines may also be seen around Roosevelt's leg, which the editor tried to simulate the water ripples. Sadly, Roosevelt lost the 1912 election to Woodrow Wilson, and the image of him riding a moose disappeared in photo archives. Giant squid in Santa Monica. This image of a giant squid washed ashore near Santa Monica was published on the site lightlybraisedturnip.com in January 2014, and it comes with catchy article claiming that a giant squid has grown into mutant size due to Fukushima radiation. The image soon began to circulate online with the hashtag radioactive gigantism and giant sea creature. The truth is, the original image does not include the image of a giant squid, but that of a normal-sized whale which is washed up on the beach of Chile in 2011. In the article, "Whale Found Dead in Chile," the website portmedia.org reported on the beach whale at the Gulf of Arauco in November 2011, and the original image was included in the story. Lincoln's portrait. A standing portrait of Lincoln was created after the American Civil War. It was hung in many classrooms in America as a way to venerate the memory of the president. Sadly, Lincoln did not actually pose in the said portrait. This image is produced by an unknown entrepreneur using a typical cut and paste editing technique by placing the headshot photo of Lincoln taken by Matthew Brady into the portrait of a Southern leader, John Calhoun. This was done because there were hardly any heroic-style portraits of Lincoln during his lifetime. The papers on the table which state strict constitution, free trade, and sovereignty of the state in Calhoun's image were soon changed into Constitution, Union, and Proclamation of Freedom. Number 6. A mysterious creature thought to have been a million years found. An image of a strange-headed creature identified as Diplodocus, a species thought to have been extinct for over 270 million years, was captured. This image circulated in the late 2004, claiming that the mysterious creature in the bucket was found in Malta. No doubt this is Diplocolus, but not the real one. Professor Patrick Schembri of the Department of Biology at University of Malta discussed the photos in an article that was published in November 4 in Malta Time. He identified the creature as an amphibian called Diplocolus, but he noted that the photos had to be fake because Diplocolus had been extinct for 270 million years. It's a model created by a Japanese model maker in 1992 who took a photo of it and submitted it to a magazine as part of a contest. Number 7. A selfie image of a tourist seconds before the tragedy of 9/11. After September 11, 2001, a photo began circulating via email. It shows a tourist posing for a selfie on top of the World Trade Center as a hijacked plane approached from behind. Apparently, the image had been taken just seconds before disaster, and a caption explained that the photo came from a camera which was recovered in the rubble of the World Trade Center. The caption goes like, "We've seen thousands of pictures concerning the attack. However, this one will make you cringe. A simple tourist getting himself photographed on the top of the World Trade Center before the tragedy. But was the picture real? No, the picture was fake." The plane showed in the viral image is just the exact copy-paste version of the photos taken by Jonathan Durden. The image is available on airliners.net. Secondly, the plane that hit the South Tower came from the south, but obvious from the landmarks behind the man that the plane in this photo is approaching from the north. Third, it's the wrong type of plane. Both the jets that crashed into the World Trade Centers were 767s. The plane in the image is 757 plane. Lastly, the plane hit the South Tower at 9:03 in the morning, while the observation deck was still closed. It only would have opened at 9:30 in the morning. Number 8. The helicopter shark. The image gained popularity due to its depiction of great white shark ferociously attacking an Air Force helicopter. The image was posted with a caption, "And you think you're having a bad day at work." This image was taken near the South African coast during a military exercise by the British Navy. It was nominated by National Geographic as Photo of the Year. But the truth is, while this image is truly breathtaking, it is fake. This is a composite image created by an unknown hoaxer by combining two real but unrelated photographs. A picture of a great white shark taken by a South African photographer, Charles Maxwell, and an Air Force photo of Cape Hawk helicopter from the California National Guard unit, snapped by Lance Schoon. And to add, it was actually not named as Photo of the Year by the National Geographic as claimed in the caption. Workers on the skyscraper. Probably one of the most iconic images of the 20th century is the 1932 picture of American workers. The image shows 11 construction workers taking a lunch break on a beam 69 floors above Manhattan, and on the second photo from the same shoot, the image shows 4 workers sleeping on the beam. While this image seems iconic, Ken Johnston, however, has an exploding revelation, saying that the image was a publicity effort by the Rockefeller Center. It seems pretty clear they were real workers, but the event was organized with a number of photographers. So the moment was staged by the Rockefeller Center to promote their new skyscraper 80 years ago. Number 10. Image of the MGM intro. The iconic video of the MGM intro has been with us since the onset of this production company. It has produced hundreds of quality films to entertain us, until this photo showing the supposed behind-the-scene photos of the making of iconic MGM intro emerged online and shook us. It portrays a lion trapped down to film this famous trademark MGM clip. However, after some investigation, the fact-checking website Snoop.com revealed that above displayed image does not actually capture either MGM's Leo or the filming of the company logo. This is a manipulated version of the photograph that was originally taken 2005 when a Barbary lion named Samson underwent a computer-aided tomography scan after failing ill at Israeli Zoo. Buster Nation, with all the images circulating around, it becomes harder and harder to distinguish which one is true from the fake one. So it pays off if you do some little research before reposting some of the images you find.